So today I'm going to be putting in 78 Seymour Duncan bridge pickup. I'm going to mix it with a Pearly Gates at the neck, and I think it's about 7.3 or something like that. I don't know, I'll have to test. I think it's around that 7 point something. So I'm kind of excited about this. I'm going to be making a humbucker and single coil split. You have to have 4 wires for each pickup. Keep this, don't throw it away. Has a wiring diagram. Every color is different. Like DiMarzio is different from Seymour Duncan, is different from other types of pickups, have their own kind of color situation. The black is going to be hot. The green is ground. The red and white you would normally wrap together. They're series, but using this, it has a place for it to be put in here. The bare pickup ground is the that's the bare, and so it'll go to the ground here. And likewise with these exact same, when you buy this, it comes with the diagram, and so I'm just going to follow this according to the Seymour Duncan colors. Now when you do this, let's take off this shiny, beautiful plastic, and I think that's going to look nice. You want the screws to go the opposite side. You got north and south, so I'm going to put both the screws in. I'm going to do both of them at the same time, and then put that down. Get this wire out of the way, and I'm just going to, well, and there you go. And I'm going to do the other one the same way. Line this up and do it like this. And as soon as I see the head of the screw come out the other end, then there you go. And I'm just going to get it level, do all the adjustment later when I put it into the cavity. Now I just want to get the wires ready and have them all out like this. You don't have to do any soldering, twist the wires. It comes with an output jack, and the white is the hot. I'm going to go ahead and put it in its appropriate slot. Now with these, you just press down. I've got my little STOCKDALE'S file, and I'm just going to press that down and push that in at an angle, coming in at a 45 here, and I'm going to go pressing in and then pull on it. Make sure that it has a really good connection here. That's really good. And then the black is, of course, the ground for the output jack. I push down and I push in. Okay, now I think I'm going to start going down. So I'm going to start with the north finish is the name of this top slot. And so the north finish for the Seymour Duncan is white. The next one is the south finish for the bridge humbucker. The south finish is red. I've got my tweezers here and go at an angle there, and I double check the red. Okay, now my north start is next, the third one down, which is the hot output, which is for this pickup the black wire. On the fourth one down, which is, this is number 1 and this is number 10, so 10, 9, 8, number 7. I'm thinking the fourth one down from the top. This is the 10th one. The ground, which is the south start. Ground, green, and I'm going to press it in, and then that's that one there. Give it a good tug, and now I'm left with the this wire here. The bare wire needs to go to ground. Till I see the end of the wire, and tighten it down. And I have finished my my bridge pickup. Now I'm going to double check it. Number 10, North Finish. And the North Finish is white for Seymour Duncan, so it goes to number 10. Number 9 is the South Finish. And the South Finish for Seymour Duncan is red. The next one is number 8, which is the Hot, which is the North Start. And the North Start is black for Seymour Duncan. Then I have the 7th one, which is the Ground, which is the South Start, and it's green. And then I'm done with the wires, and it's got the silver one, bam, goes into there. Now I have to do the same thing with the neck pickup. Okay, here we go. So I start with the North Finish. I press down and I just shove it in there and I test it, and it is done. And I double check, is that what I wanted to do? And I say it's a North Finish is number 6, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yep, and then gotta be thorough, man. And number 6, the North Finish is white. After the North Finish, I go to the South Finish, which is red. And I grab it with my tweezers a certain way. I go under the white one, I press it in, I pull it to double check, and the South Finish, which is red, is inserted. Now I've got the Hot North Start. Black wire is next, and that is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press down, insert, pull. In the process of elimination here. The next one is the Ground, which is the South Start. Ground is green, green for ground. The last wire, yay! And the obsidian wire is done. I pull on that one. Well, no, can't. I have this is left. This little guy, and we're going to go, and this bare wire gets grounded here. Alright, I've double checked my work. I was thorough. Alright, I've plugged in the amp, and we want to test the amp. Quiet all the way down, and the neck quiet all the way down. All right, now go the opposite way, and this is loud. And then I've got the other one set the opposite way. That's quiet, that's loud. See what it sounds like going through the amp. One thing that I messed up on, I get too impatient, I go too fast, and I make mistakes. That's the human way. So here I am, and I'm having to take out the output jack wires, because heck, man, you gotta put them in somehow. So I gotta do this, so I can do that. All right. We'll press down, insert, pull. Okay, that's checked. This and pull. Good. All right. Now, go put this in. It's exciting. Oh man, rock and roll. Uh-oh. This needs to be, look how, oh, that needs to be routed out. There's another thing also, that this is supposed to fit nice and snug. Should a black one go there, or should a chrome one? And I think a chrome one, but I've got the wrong diameter, and so I need to drill this out also. So that needs to happen. Alright, well, just want to keep you all updated on why things aren't going fast enough. Dadgummit. Alright, between this and working, it'll get where it needs to be. Thanks for joining me, and take care. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but heck, man, I don't do this. I play. I'm having fun with this stuff on the side, and interested to see what it sounds like. I'm glad that I had to share it with you guys. So have a great week, and jam on. See you on the next journey.